Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside the circle, join as a member, hype up the video as well, and let's get into this amazing tutorial. It's about this rectangle cape top. Guys, it can be styled in so many ways, so many ways. I'm going to show you guys the different ways to style it in this video as well. It is beautiful, it is amazing, and it is everything you need in your wardrobe. Let's get into it. Guys, for this you're going to need a fabric that is 60 inches wide by 20 inches. That's what I'm using in my own case. That's like a standard measurement basically. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my fabric right side facing, and I'm going to look for the center. So I'm going to put it right side facing, then fold it into two. So right here is my center. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to now measure my shoulder to shoulder measurement. Now whatever your shoulder to shoulder measurement is, minus 2 inches from it. That's the safest measurement to use so that it doesn't fall from your shoulder. So in my case it's 15 inches, minus 2 is 13, and then that 13 inches I'm now going to divide it by 2. So 13 divided by 2 is 6.5 inches. That's what I'm going to now measure on this side, and I'm going to measure it on all 4 pieces. So this is what I'm going to do. So 6.5 inches, I'm going to mark it right here. Then at the back as well, I'm going to mark the 6.5 inches. Then on all the pieces, 6.5 inches. So 6.5 inches, so that when I open it, I'll be able to know how to put 2 of them together. I'll make sure that it doesn't move. You know what? I'm going to even use a pin to pin it together. So can you guys see? Pin 2 pieces together, and then the next 2, pin them together. Now after this, you are still going to go forward by about 4 inches. Some people use 3 inches, but I think I want more coverage, so I'm going to go 4 inches from this mark, and I'm going to put another pin right there. This is it, guys. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to this part on your machine, and you're going to sew it using a 1-inch seam allowance. That's the safest one I'm going to tell you to use. 1-inch seam allowance. So you're sewing from this pin to this pin, sew it down using 1 inch, sew from this pin to this pin as well using 1 inch. Now while you're doing that, to make our work even faster, you're going to go to all the edges except this top. You are not doing anything to this top yet. All the remaining edges, you are going to fold it twice, and they are going to sew it all around every single raw edge. Every raw edge, you are going to sew it just like that, except this top that we're sewing. So this is what it looks like here. I have pinned this side, this side. I'm going to also wear it to make sure that it's sitting well on my shoulder. So you need, if you wear it and it's falling from your shoulder, try to reduce that 13 inches that we measured, that 6.5 inches, reduce it to like 6 inches. So just make sure it's comfortable on your body, so that when you wear it, you are very comfortable. You're not scared that it's going to fall or anything. So before sewing, put it on your body and see whether it stays very well on your shoulders. Guys, can you see I've sewn it along that mark? So here and on this side. So what you're going to do is you're going to open it up just like this. When you're sewing, open it up, and then you're going to start sewing from this point right here. Continue sewing using a double fold. So fold it twice and then start sewing it. I've pinned it here so that you guys can see it very well. Fold it, then sew. Then when you get to this side, make sure it is open. Make sure this side is separate from this side. Then continue sewing. So that's why it's better to pin before you sew. So continue sewing, fold it twice, and continue sewing till you get to the end of the fabric. So you get to this end. Do it for this side, and the other side you do it again. And that's the last thing you need to do with this particular top. Is that easy? So just do that, and then I'll come back to show you guys how to style it. And guys, that's all I have for this video. If you try it out, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Creations. I'll be ready to showcase your work with all my growing followers, and even here on YouTube. Guys, this top can be styled in so many ways, and like you've seen when we made it, it's like one of the easiest things to make. Basically, I have so many other playlists, scrap fabric, easy tutorials, DIY gift ideas. I have everything on this channel. And yes guys, that's all I have for this amazing video. Subscribe, like, share, comment, hype up the video, join in as a member, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest.